Most survey apps fall into two predictable categories. They either never pay or they technically pay but waste a huge amount of time getting there. Eureka Surveys sits right in the middle. Some people cash out quickly, others get stuck trying to reach the same payout. So the real question isn't, does it pay? It's how often it actually works. Eureka Surveys is a mobile app where you earn small amounts of money by answering surveys, daily polls, and occasional offers. Rewards can be withdrawn as PayPal cash or gift cards once you hit the payout threshold. The app even promotes fast earnings. Many new users are told they can make a few dollars shortly after joining, and early on, that part can actually feel true. At the beginning, surveys show up regularly and progress feels quick, but after the first few payouts, the pattern usually changes. You start seeing more disqualifications and surveys closing halfway through. That's a very common complaint across user reviews. Some people still get steady surveys, others barely qualify for anything. That inconsistency is the core experience of the app. And if you want to learn why most people never make any real money online and what you can do to become the exception, make sure to grab your copy of The Income Lie. You can find it in the description of this video. A few short minutes might end up saving you a few long months of trial and error. Go and grab it while I'm still giving it away for free. Anyway, Eureka Surveys can pay, but the rate is low. Typical surveys range from cents to a few dollars, and reaching payout consistently takes time. Many users describe it as spare change earnings rather than reliable income. So yes, real money exists here, but it's slow and unpredictable. This is where opinions split heavily. Some users report quick payouts and no issues. Others report delayed payments, disqualifications after long surveys, or no response from support. Review sites even show very low satisfaction ratings overall. So the app isn't consistently bad, it's inconsistent overall. Also, don't forget to grab your copy of the Income Lie Guide in the description of this video. It may end up being the eye-opener you were looking for all along. It will show you exactly why the game is rigged against the small player and what you can do to take full advantage of that. Go and find it in the description of this video now. Eureka Surveys only make sense if you already use multiple survey apps. You expect slow progress. You don't rely on it for steady payouts. It doesn't work well as a primary earning method. The availability and crediting vary too much. The first payout often feels easier than the next ones. Some apps reward new users heavily to keep them engaged, and then the earning pace slows. That's why reviews look so mixed. Early users and long-term users are describing different experiences. Eureka Surveys is legit. People do get paid, but it's inconsistent, slow, and unpredictable. If you treat it as a casual extra, it can be fine. If you expect steady rewards, it'll probably frustrate you. If this breakdown helped you see Eureka clearly, subscribe for more honest reviews like this. Don't forget to grab your guide in the description, hit that like button, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.